Now I would like to invite Ali Akhtar Sahab, CEO DynaSys, and he has some presentation for you. Ali Akhtar Sahab.
Welcome everybody. I hope you can hear me. The voice is fine. Wonderful, great to be here. My name is Ali Akhtar. I'm the founder and CEO of DynaSys Networks, and I am your guide today to Pakistan's own IoT revolution. It all starts with understanding what IoT is. At its core are data centers and the cloud. We heard about the cloud in a previous panel as well. That is where the brain of the entire operations lies. And around that is a 5-step process that completes the concept of IoT. The first one is data ingestion, where it's about the IoT devices. There are a lot of different types of IoT devices out there. They measure simple parameters such as temperature, humidity. You can have complex ones around videos as well. That is step one. Step two is taking all of that data and sending it to the cloud where you've got the brain of the operations, which is the IoT platform. And you have a lot of different type of transmission techniques where you can have LoRaWAN, NB-IoT, 4G. We talked about 5G and its role in IoT moving forward as well. Then once the data has reached the brain of the operations, that is where the data processing takes place. All of that data that has been gathered, then you need to figure out what is it telling you. If you set a specific range to measure the temperature, the humidity, or whatever else parameter that you had decided, once that raw data is processed, does it fall into the parameters that were decided? Then comes data visualization. The capability of the solution, the platform, to show you what you need to see to be able to make the kinds of decisions that you would expect from an IoT solution to optimize your entire way of doing things to your business operations. And at the end is data analysis and prediction. That's where the role of, for example, AI comes in, or ML comes in, machine learning, where the data has been there for a while, and you are able to now make patterns of it to be able to predict what will happen in the future. So you can go from reactive to preventive to outright predictive. From our point of view, the brain of this operations is Aleph, which is a complete IoT platform. We have redefined the term platform. So historically, it's been just about softwares that provide certain APIs on which you can build your own use cases. But what we say, define platform as is an entire suite where you've got the platform, you've got a marketplace, where you can purchase IoT devices, IoT solutions at a click of a button, and then you have ready use cases which can immediately be deployed towards the end users. And that is what they're actually interested in. Let's take a moment now to look at one of these use cases.
Are you tired of constantly searching for misplaced assets in your busy warehouse? Worried about the condition of temperature-sensitive goods? Struggling to monitor outdoor assets efficiently? Introducing Asset Watch, the ultimate solution for indoor and outdoor tracking of assets or people. With Asset Watch, you can monitor your assets in real time, ensuring their exact location and status, giving you full control and visibility. Asset Watch offers conditional monitoring for temperature and humidity-sensitive items, so you're alerted immediately if there's an issue. Data at your fingertips. Analyze asset movements, identify trends, and make informed decisions with our easy-to-use dashboards and comprehensive reports. Asset Watch sends instant alerts for geofence breaches, tampering attempts, and excessive speeds, helping you maintain security and optimize operations. With the Asset Watch mobile app, you're in command of your assets right from your smartphone. Experience peace of mind with Asset Watch, the comprehensive solution for indoor and outdoor asset tracking. Simplify operations, improve efficiency, and safeguard your valuable assets.
At the end of the day, it's all about the use cases. That is what everybody has been talking about today, whether it's a communication network such as 5G. It's all about the use cases. What can be commercialized? What can solve actual problems that are out there? So when you're talking about use cases, that's what we like to say. It's about the use cases, dummy. It's kind of a rip-off from Bill Clinton's statement that it's about the economy, stupid. The slogan on which he won the elections in the US. So it is about solving problems that people would pay to have solved. It is about the use cases. In IoT, what we're doing is, and what needs to be done across the industry now in Pakistan, is to simplify the IoT implementation, which means to provide you all the necessary components, the platform, you've got the devices, you've got the connectivity element, all of it figured out, and the end user, all they need to do is place the order, get the sensors, turn it on, and get the kind of data that they need to optimize their business operations. A faster go-to-market duration, so that the end user isn't left wondering that this is element A of the ecosystem, this is element B of the ecosystem, this is element C, and now they need to figure out how to connect it all together to make a viable, full-on solution for themselves. And scalability. So if you've ordered one IoT solution and you need hundreds more, thousands more, 10,000s more of the same solution, you should be able to scale horizontally. If you want adjacent solutions which complement the solution that you already have, you need to be able to order those solutions, have them implemented, have them integrated with whatever you have already, and then you need to be able to scale vertically so that the business operations can grow. In terms of the use cases, what users need right now for IoT to be a viable sector within the country as a technology use case is a wide variety of use cases, not just one or two or three, but IoT has infinite applications. And we need to have platforms that can allow us to have that wide range available that can be pushed out to the end users. Of course, low cost, that is the expectation all the time, and improved quality. A wide variety of sensors available to the users. So if somebody wants a low-cost solution and they are willing to compromise a bit on quality, they have the choice to do so. If somebody is willing to pay a bit more, they can have an improved quality version of the hardware that is available to them. And it fits their needs. While we're on the topic of use cases, let's look at another one.
In today's fast-paced urban environments, traditional monitoring methods are no longer sufficient. Manual logging leads to inaccuracies and inefficiencies. The cost and wastage of resources are escalating problems. Introducing Ignite Shield, an innovative solution for environmental, water quality, water usage, and asset monitoring designed to transform urban management. With Ignite Shield, IoT devices are integrated seamlessly into facilities, spaces, and assets, providing comprehensive monitoring solutions, real-time monitoring for immediate insights into environmental conditions, customize alerts to stay informed about critical changes, easily generate detailed reports for data analysis. Remote monitoring capabilities ensure you're always connected, enhance operational efficiency, minimize resource wastage, contributing to a sustainable urban future, increase asset lifespan through proactive measures.
It really is about the use cases at the end of the day. The users, through their use cases, demand full control and visibility of what they've bought, what the data that the sensors are transmitting. They need easy device configuration. They want to put in an IoT solution and forget about it. Reap the results, reap the rewards, but forget about the solution that exists over there and having to maintain it all the time. They need real-time alerts. They need real-time data feedback coming to them so that they can make timely decisions that benefit their business or help them solve the kind of problems that they're trying to solve. And obviously, scale with ease so that they can grow. Let's look at one last use case. The most traditional use case out there right now in Pakistan when we talk about IoT.
Are you struggling with delayed shipments and unreachable drivers? Meet TechNex, your ultimate fleet tracking solution. With real-time tracking, gain immediate insights into your fleet's location, reducing delays and improving communication. Our platform offers vital updates on every vehicle status, ensuring you're always informed for optimal fleet management and performance. Optimize your routes for more timely deliveries, saving time and reducing operational costs. Receive instant alerts for geofence breaches and monitor unusual driver behavior. Empower your decision-making with our detailed dashboards. TechNex provides in-depth insights into how efficiently drivers complete their assigned tasks, enhancing job performance and operational effectiveness. TechNex, transforming your fleet management experience from reactive to proactive.
Let's move towards a live demonstration of what I've been talking about. There are three parts to the solution, the platform that we've built, which offers all of these use cases. The first one is the e-marketplace. Nowadays, if you want to make a service suite, a service offering, scale up and get right to the end users, whether they're businesses, whether they're consumers, whoever the end user may be, creating a marketplace is very important. So this is Pakistan's first IoT marketplace. Like any other marketplace, you can pretty much scroll through, find out all the use cases that are there. This one has pretty much 80 plus use cases on it. We're trying to get to 250 plus use cases, the single largest IoT ecosystem in the country, probably around the region as well. Just for the sake of showing it to you, it would work like any other IoT, any other marketplace. You can select any of the use cases. For example, I want to do an indoor air quality solution. I select this one pretty much. I buy it. I add to the cart. All of the details are there. I go out, check out, and it'll take me to a billing platform where I can pay online using whatever billing platform exists in any particular country or for any particular customer that may want to use it, and then have the device delivered to you. Once the device is delivered to you, what exactly do you do? So we heard about the Ignite Shield business case, so I've put it up and I'm going to show you the device and connectivity management portion of the platform. This particular organization whose portal I'm showing you has ordered a number of use cases. At a click of a button, they can move between water quality monitoring to industrial asset monitoring to indoor air quality monitoring, outdoor air quality, water pressure, cold storage, and a number of other use cases that they've got, all at the click of a button. For example, let's take indoor air quality. We've got a requirement for that in Islamabad from one of the government entities who are interested in putting it in public buses. What does it look like? Any particular device that's active, you can actually go into the details. This one is installed in Jumeirah Lake Towers in Dubai. It's a live device. It particularly measures carbon dioxide, humidity, temperature for this particular organization in the place that they've installed it. It shows the widgets that they've got. They configured it themselves to set whatever is okay, poor, or problematic. They can get whatever data they need from it. for these parameters in graphical format, in a heat map, whatever else way they may want to get it, and they can export it, and then they can feed it into whatever, for example, AI or ML system that may exist so that they can carry out their predictive analysis as well. So that is how easy, at the end of the day, IoT needs to be for the end user to be able to do what they want to do. Talking about the unified nature of the platform and having all of these use cases at a click of a button available to you, let's go to another use case. I showed you fleet management. So on a click of a button, for this particular customer, going to their fleet management. So they currently have 5 vehicles. 1 of them is in the UAE, and 4 of them are in Indonesia. 2 of them are moving. You can see that down there. Because this is a live demonstration, I won't try and go into the kind of details that may be proprietary to them. But they've been very kind for us to let you show the use cases that they have deployed currently on them. And at the end of the day, this is how simple IoT needs to be in Pakistan. This is how simple IoT needs to be around the region and internationally. And I'm actually proud to say that this is something that we are now achieving in the country. We're working with the regulators, we're working with other partners, we're working with the mobile network operators to get it deployed, get our version of the platform hosted in one of the cloud infrastructures here so that it can be made available to the customers that are now available inside the country who are asking for IoT services, who have reached out to us, and to promote the entire use case debate, take it to the next level so that the commercialization can start taking place on the existing 4G or existing terrestrial networks that can lead up to the conversation that we had about 5G. Thank you very much.